Are you over 50 and want to start a YouTube channel? But the idea of being on camera makes you cringe. You're not alone. And guess what? You can run a successful YouTube channel without showing your face. In this video, I will show you how, step by step. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Choose a niche that doesn't require your face or voice. Here are 5 beginner-friendly ideas. 1. Motivational quotes with video clips. 2. Relaxing music with nature footage. 3. AI-generated storytelling or bedtime stories. 4. Screen-recorded tutorials, tech, apps, budgeting. 5. Top 10 lists with voiceovers or text narration. Pick one that matches your interests. The key is consistency and solving a problem. Step 2. Plan your video style. All you need is a format. Options include text on screen videos using stock footage, voiceovers with images or slides, whiteboard animations, screen recordings with background music. Study similar channels for structure and inspiration. Don't copy. Step 3. Write simple video scripts. Keep your scripts short, clear, and emotional. You can write them yourself or use ChatGPT. Edit and personalize it to match your tone. Short form videos work great, especially under 3 minutes. Step 4. Use free or cheap tools. Here are beginner-friendly tools. Pexels and Pixabay for free stock videos. Canva or CapCut for editing. ChatGPT for scripts. 11 Labs or TTS Maker for AI voiceovers. OBS Studio or Clipchamp for screen recording if needed. Start simple. Step 5. Create your video. Here's how. Drop your stock footage or screen capture into your editor. You edit your AI-generated voice or on-screen text. Insert background music. Use YouTube's free audio library. Or generate instrumental music with free AI. You can find free AI music generators through ChatGPT. Keep it short and snappy. If you want me to do a video showing you how to use Pictory.ai to create faceless YouTube videos, please drop your comment below. Step 6. Grow with time. Don't quit early. Most people give up too soon. The truth is, your 10th video will be better than your first. But it takes time for YouTube to recommend your channel. Focus on helping, not going viral. All you need is a message, a plan, and persistence. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more digital hustle tips. For over 50s, and let me know in the comments, which faceless niche are you most interested in? Let's build your No Face YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the content and have gotten value, hit the subscription bell and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching this one to the end.